Hey guys, today we'll look into the two sum problem, which is one of the most frequently asked questions in the technical interviews. So there are a couple of approaches we can solve this problem. One approach is basically we can sort the array and use two pointers and check like if the numbers are adding to the required target. If not, move the pointers accordingly. If the sum is less, then move the left pointer to next element. If the sum is greater, you can move the right pointer to the left. Okay, so that is one approach, but that takes that need the sorting of the array. Okay, since the array is not sorted, assume the array is not sorted, so that solution won't work. That won't give the best solution. So we can use hashing to solve the problem in best possible way. Using hashing simply takes like just order of n time complexity. So let's start solving the problem. Okay, so first we need to check the base conditions. Okay, first we will check if the array is null or there are less than two elements in the array. In that case, we simply return the input. Right, otherwise we need to iterate through the array. Okay, so because we need to find the two elements, so we need to identify the complement, adding which to the current number makes up the target. Okay, so let's create a variable called complement. The complement will be for each of these variables here, I mean each of the numbers in the array. Okay, so for this thing the complement will be target minus nums of I. Okay, so and we need to create a hash also, because since we need to return the index of the number, we need to create a hash map that can store both key and values. Okay, so let's see if the hash map contains, if it contains the key of complement, then return both the current index and the complement index. Okay, so that gives the complement index and the current index is at I. Otherwise, simply add the element and the index to the hash map. In the worst case, if the element is not found, then we need to return -1. Okay, let's check the program once. If nums is null or if it is less than 2, then we return simply the input. Otherwise, we'll traverse through the array, we'll find the complement for each of these elements. If the hash already contains the complement, okay, the complement, that is the difference of between the current element and the target, that means yeah, we found our pair. Then you return both the indices of the complement as well as the current index. Otherwise, you keep adding the elements, the element and the index into the hash map. Think it works. Let's run the code. Okay, so for okay, I think this is for method, this is for class. Okay, accepted. Let's submit. Yeah, accepted. Okay, that's good.